How's it going? I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to go over the trades that I took on in Q. So once again, I kind of had a mishap with one of my accounts. The other two accounts ended positive off some shorts, but let's take a look at what happened today. So there's quite a big discrepancy. This count is down a lot, and these counts are up. So let's talk about what happened. So yesterday I was trading, and this account hit daily loss limit while these did not. So I took this. What did I do? I don't know, but I deactivated the account group. Today I went to take a trade thinking that I was copy trading all three accounts. I was not, and so I entered with 18 contracts on a single account, this one here. And what happened is it hit my daily loss limit of $1,000 and stopped me out. So prevented me from blowing my account. But at the same time, I messed up because thought I was trading three accounts. I was trading one. So I sized 3 times the amount that I wanted to, which caused me to hit my daily loss limit pretty quick. The reason why I took a short is I was looking for this rejection off the EMA. We opened, we were weak on NQ, we were downtrending, we were below previous day range, we were outside of pre-market range. We were coming down and looking weak. We came up, we retested the EMA once, twice, looked weak. I entered short, and then we moved up and stopped me out. So that would have been a lost trade anyways, but not so much as to $1,000. This count is not blown, but it's absolutely in the gutter at this point. We are down $800 on it. $880 to be specific. So it's not take a while to bring this one back. It's really frustrating. Yesterday's loss and today's mistake just absolutely obliterated this account. It was up almost $1,000, is now down 1,000, and it's just frustrating. But we still have it. We didn't blow it, so it's fucking better than nothing, I guess. However, let's take a look at the trades I took on this account, or these two accounts, and these are up just 173 on the day. So my first trade was a loss here. I tried to take a short right here when we were rejecting off this level in this 48 EMA. It missed my take profit, so my take profit was the 13 EMA. I was just trying to take it between these two as it was kind of wedging. Stop loss was just above the 48 EMA. Take profit was at the 13, and it missed my take profit by like 3 points. So my take profit was at 15, like right here, and it hit 20 or so. So we missed it by like 3 points, 5 points. So missed my take profit there and then came up and stopped me out. Afterwards, I think that experience kind of caused me to trade a little bit more hesitant. So I took a long here because we flipped these EMAs. We came down and we held. I entered long. My stop loss was just below this level, which it almost hit. When it popped back up, I brought my stop loss to break even, and then we came back down and stopped me out for break even. So I tried to take a long here, looking for us to continue up to pre-market high. We did not. Once we broke that down below and we lost this level in these EMAs, then I switched to short. I entered a short right here. My take profit was down near this level at about 910 or so. We came up, and once again I brought my stop loss to break even because of this trade, I think, where it barely missed my take profit and then stopped me out for a loss. Came up, stopped me out for break even. I re-entered the trade because I still liked it. We were still trending down, rejecting off these levels in the EMAs. So I re-entered the trade, stop loss above the EMAs, take profit down near this level. I raised it a little bit because price wasn't trading as nice as maybe I was hoping, and we did hit it. So this was kind of the same trade. I just got stopped out for break even, then re-entered it, and we hit it for a nice profit. So that brings us to just over 170 profit on these accounts. Nice week on these. Made some mistakes on this one, so it's a bummer. It's definitely a bummer. I would like to not make those mistakes. Back-to-back days where I just made massive mistakes on one account. Luckily it was just one, but back-to-back days where I really screwed myself on this one particular account. So daily loss limit prevented me from losing the account entirely, which is good. We still have the account. Bad news is it's down tremendously. Other good news is my other accounts are up a lot, and we are on our way to a payout with those. So beyond halfway to a payout on 2 accounts. Absolutely getting pissed on one account. So Mixed emotions, not really sure how to feel. My trading hasn't been terrible, but my management on one account has been absolutely horrible. So didn't oversize today. I didn't take any, except for this. That was literally just a mistake, though. That was not on purpose. That was not a tilt trade. But didn't oversize on any of these. Managed my risk pretty well. Like this one, 27-point stop on today's volatility, not bad. And then it's good that I stopped where I did because it pumped up even further. So decent trade management on that one. These, glad I raised my stop to break even because that would have been a loss. This one was, I didn't need to. That would have been a win. And I could have kept my take profit at its original position and would have locked in another $100 or so. So yeah, we could do better today. We could do a lot better, but not terrible. If I just stop making these absolutely stupid mistakes, we'll be doing pretty well. But yeah, one account is really struggling, and it's going to take some time to get that back in action. So not stoked on that. Pretty upset about it, but it is what it is. We still have the account, and if I think about it, now I have to make, I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. I guess what I'm saying is I'd still have to make more if I started an eval and then had to make 3K and then pass it and then, make another whatever 3K. So it's disgusting. I'm upset, but whatever. We'll make it back. We'll get there. We just have to be patient. And while we're making that back, these two will be giving us money. And that's the way I see it. All right. That's all I got. I hope you have a great day. Just a tough week. Happy to end it and move on from it. Even though I'm positive overall on the week on both accounts, this account is absolutely in the gutter. So I'm down like $2,000. Just insane. All right. Peace. That's it.